I really look forward for it, and I eat it for at least 10 days post Diwali. So I keep it in bulk and I keep it refrigerated, and I love to eat it cold. So yeah, that's one thing that I really love. Have a chill out time with your friends. Yeah, I mean, just do your puja, chill, relax, spread love, happiness. I think that is more important. Hi, this is Ashish Sharma, and I'm wishing all the viewers of Eastern Eye a very happy Diwali. Cheers, guys.
Hi Ashish, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, Musa. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.
So happy Diwali. It's the festival of lights, food, sweets, everything. So happy Diwali to you and your family.
Thank you so much, and same to you as well.
So Ashish, tell me, how are you planning to celebrate Diwali, this year? Of course, it's amid this whole pandemic that is going on. So how are you planning to celebrate Diwali this year?
Yeah, matlab, it's going to be a little dull, I suppose, but I think it'll be dull only in all the materialistic aspects, not the spirits. And luckily, the domestic travel has opened and things have little eased up a bit. So we'll be traveling to Jaipur and celebrating it with parents. So I think that's a little relief. We'll be seeing them after a little while also, and then celebrating. We usually Diwalis keep to celebrate with parents, and we usually go back home to Jaipur there, and then we celebrate it there. And thankfully this year, finally we can go, and so we thought we wouldn't be able to, but then finally we can go, and so yeah, it'll be a simple home affair, but yeah, I'm happy that we'll be celebrating with my parents and family and everyone.
So what are you going to miss the most that you used to do in previous years, but this year that won't happen? What's that one thing that you're going to miss the most?
I think obviously थोड़े बहुत पटाखे तो सभी जलाते हैं, so little bit of firecrackers everybody does. I think this year even that is banned, and even that you're not allowed to do, even that little bit of it, whatever it is. So I guess that's one thing that surely we'll miss. But other than that, I think it's going to be pretty much the same. Meeting with family and friends, and all my childhood friends, they are coming back home, and we have planned a nice get together and everything. So it's going to be fun. Really looking forward to it.
So, Diwali, of course, as I said, is the festival of lights as well as sweets. So, which is that sweet, that you like to have it on Diwali, your favorite Diwali sweet? Which is that one?
Moong dal ka halwa. So that's one thing that my mother makes and used to make every Diwali, and I really look forward for it. And I eat it for at least 10 days post Diwali. So I keep it in bulk and I keep it refrigerated, and I love to eat it cold. So yeah, that's one thing that I really love.
So of course, whenever Diwali comes, a lot of celebs or talk about that they should not burst much crackers because it affects the pets, especially the dogs and the cats on the road and stuff. I think even you have pets at home. So, what do you have to say about this whole scenario? Because every year, there have been talks about this, that, bursting crackers is disturbing for the pets. They get scared of it. So what do you have to say about this? Because still it happens. And, we have seen videos where, pets on the roads are running because they are scared. So what do you have to say about this whole scenario?
See, obviously it's not right, and it's not good for the pets and for animals in general. They get scared and it really troubles them. But I think it also there are so many side effects of firecrackers. It's not just that the sound of it, it's also the smoke that is emitted out of them. We pollute, I think, in every aspect. So even the residue which remains is again polluting the environment. Smoke pollutes the environment. There's sound pollution happening. So I think everything is, and I think today. Earlier, we never used to pay heed to it also, and I think utna tha bhi nahi, because I don't know. Now the pollution levels have gone up so high that we really need to curb a lot of things, and we need to change a lot of habits, and we need to change a lot of things in our lifestyle. This is one major, like how to celebrate our festivals. It's similarly like how in Ganesh Visarjan, now these days we have these biodegradable self-immersing idols. So it's a lifestyle change that needs to come, and it's a lifestyle change that we need to adapt to, just to save our whole environment of the world we are living in. So I think that should be our first priority, because where will you celebrate if you wouldn't have a world? And I think we need to celebrate Earth first, and then any other festival. So I think just to celebrate Earth, we should avoid any kind of stuff which pollutes it, and if that is to change the way we celebrate our festivals, then I think we should. And at the end of the day, it's about celebration. It's not just that you burst crackers as the only way to celebrate. You can celebrate in so many ways, different ways. I think it's more to do with happiness. It's more to do with love. And if we are bursting crackers and we are scaring animals, with them we coexist on this earth, and if we are not able to take care of them, I think then it's not a good way to celebrate. Then we are just polluting. So I think we need to adapt. We need to change our lifestyle a lot, and we need to change the way we celebrate our festivals as well. So have a chill out time with your friends. Just do your puja, chill, relax, spread love, happiness. I think that is more important.
Great. So Ashish, before we wrap up, would you like to give a message to all your fans on this festival of Diwali?
All I can say is that I can wish you a very, very happy and safe Diwali. I hope you have lots of health with you. That should be the priority for everyone. We tend to overlook ourselves. We tend to overlook our health, and I think everything that happens brings something good with it. And I think this pandemic has brought this thing, this really good thing, this awareness about your well-being, about your health, overall health, that has come, and everybody is little more aware about their own well-being and their health, and their lifestyle. It should be healthy. So I wish all of you a great Diwali, very happy, healthy Diwali, and please take care of yourselves, and please take care of your health and people around you, and make sure that you are there for them. Even in bad times, you are there cheering people around. So spread lots of cheer, guys, and spread a lot of happiness, and that should be the way we should celebrate any festival, and not just Diwali. So really a very happy Diwali to you, and happy Diwali to you, Murtaza.
Thank you so much. Same to you, Ashish.